This is FREECOM 1, the world's best-selling Bluetooth headset for the sole rider. And this video will teach you how to make the most out of it. This is FREECOM 1. It packs the highest technology a solo rider can ask for. It's IP67 waterproof and it's also very aerodynamic. Only 16 millimeters top to bottom, which makes it one of the thinnest Bluetooth headsets of its kind. FREECOM 1 includes 4 easily accessible buttons: a function button, a media and phone button, a minus button, and a plus button. To activate your FREECOM 1, press the function and minus buttons together.
Hello, FREECOM 1.
For volume down, press the minus button. For volume up, press the plus button. To mute your unit, press minus and plus buttons together. To unmute, press these two buttons again. To shut off the unit, press the function and minus buttons.
Goodbye.
FREECOM can pair to up to 2 mobile devices, such as a phone or a GPS. Let's go ahead and pair it. To pair a mobile phone, press the media and phone button for 5 seconds or until the unit flashes red.
Mobile phone 1. Pairing.
On your mobile phone, go to Settings, go to Bluetooth, choose FREECOM 1.
Mobile phone 1. Connected. Paired successfully.
And you're paired. After we paired the first device, let's see how to pair a second device, such as another phone or GPS. Start by pressing the media and phone button for 5 seconds.
Mobile phone 1. Pairing.
Double tap the media button.
Mobile phone 2. Pairing.
On your second mobile device, choose Bluetooth. Go and search for FREECOM 1. Press on it.
Paired successfully.
And you're paired. To pair a GPS, start by pressing the media and phone button for 5 seconds to open the pairing channel.
Mobile phone 1. Pairing.
Move to second phone pairing by pressing the media and phone button twice.
Mobile phone 2. Pairing.
Move to GPS pairing by pressing the plus button.
GPS. Pairing.
On your GPS unit, activate Bluetooth search. Press FREECOM 1.
GPS. Connected. Paired
And you're
successfully.
done. Now that we got that part covered, let's rock and roll. To play music from your mobile device, press the media button once. To move to the next song, press the media button again. And again. To return to the previous song, double press the media button. To stop music, press the media button for 2 seconds. FREECOM comes with a full phone support. Let's see how to make calls, receive calls, and control your phone features. You got a call coming. Press the phone button to answer it. Press the phone button again to close. But there's a better way to answer calls. Just yell to the microphone, "Hey!" and you're on. You can also initiate calls on the go using your smartphone voice assistant. To activate your voice assistant, press the function and phone buttons together and wait for the beep. Call home.
Calling home.
Another way of making a call is using the redial function. Press the plus button for 2 seconds. You can also use the speed dial function that you first have to set on the Cardo app or on the Cardo community. To access speed dial, triple press the phone button. For more information, grab the pocket guide and look inside.